Hey, today I'm going to show you, this is a diesel gold watch that I'm repairing for a friend. I had to take these plungers out and lube them up with some oil and lube the inside as well. So I put some lubrication on that. I just took it out of the ultrasonic cleaner and cleaned it up. And now I've got to put the world's smallest clip back in here. And the clip, you press on the plunger here like this, you'll see there's a groove in this little pusher stem, and that's where the clip goes. So what I'm going to do, so I've lost these clips before. And right over here in the circle, I keep a circle here, and whenever I've got small parts on my mat, I put them in the circle. I learned that, not sure, but I learned that a long time ago. So this is like, I'll show you how big these clips are next to my finger here. There's my finger. I'll pick a finger that doesn't, there's my finger, and that's the clip there. So they're pretty small, and you just have to push them back on. And taking them off, you just put a screwdriver on both sides and push. But first thing you do is you grab the clip. Let me just get it off my finger because I'm not going to be able to grab it anymore. So you grab the clip and very carefully, I'm going to do something here. I got my videographer. I need her. There we go. And it can back up a bit. Can you back up a bit?
Yeah.
Thanks. This is like a surgeon, and you're like, okay, nurse, plungers. There. So first thing I would do, I'm hoping it worked on the other clip, so I'll try it here, is just rest the clip on its post. If I can do that. Hold on. These are so small. There we go. So that's resting on the post there, and very carefully keep pressure on the post. Grab yourself a clear bag like I have here, and this is like when you're working with infectious viruses. You need to basically put everything in a bag like that. Keep your hand on the post, and the clip is still in there. Now I'm going to tighten the bag around the movement so I can see through it. And I'm going to get my eye loop on here because I can't do this without looking close. And if I fail first time, too bad. So puncture the plastic and try to find the top of that clip. I think it's on the side here, but like so. And push down. Perfect.
Now, why did you put it in the plastic?
So it goes in the plastic, my videographer and also wife. It goes into the plastic bag. So when you push down quite often, like last week, it goes bing, and it ends up on my very thick carpet, which is not a very good thing to have if you're doing watch repair. So instead of having it go bing in the carpet, put it in the bag. And I did that when I took them off, and you push on the outside U's of the clip with two tweezers or two screwdrivers. You push on that, and once it releases, it goes bing like that. So I put it in the bag to release it, and then I did that. So what, did you have a question?
I was going to say, if that way when it goes bing, it's in the bag.
Ha ha ha.
You don't have to look for it.
We're making these entertaining too. So there you see both the clips are in, and I went on my favorite site, cousins.uk.com, and I bought a whole bunch of clips because I have another watch that I put a clip on, but I haven't returned it yet. I kind of made a clip, and I need to put a proper clip on it. So I'll wait till the clip comes in, and I'll replace that clip. So that is how you do a clip on a watch, and the rest of it I'm just going to reassemble. This is a very nice movement if you look at that movement. And this is a, I think it's 17 karat gold watch. It's very nice. The guy paid like $4 grand for it, so I think he was under the influence. Anyway, thanks a lot. That's it.